I think we have found an elevator that tops, or should I say bottoms, the Schindlerhaken that I deemed the scariest elevator in Chicago. Feast your eyes, ladies and gentlemen. You gonna come in? What? All right, I'll meet you back here. Severely underleveled, missing handrail, about a layer of sloppy paint job on everything, an indicator that doesn't work, missing buttons, no phone or alarm. That's the alarm. No door open either. Okay. This thing. This is the type of thing that would have scared the living fucking daylights out of me as a kid. Because I used to have a fear of elevators. This thing is the fucking peak of scary elevators. Like, this is it. This thing's a fucking piece of work, that's for sure. Holy shit, dude. I'm uncomfortable riding this. And I would say I don't have a fear of elevators whatsoever. But this thing freaks me the fuck out. Like, this thing has me, I'm on edge right now. Oh, Jesus. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my God, bro. Dude. No thanks. I don't like this thing one bit. Fuck. Look at this thing bounce, dude. Yeah, just look at this fucking... Huh. Dude. This thing. This fucking thing, dude. I don't like it. I don't like this thing. Fuck, dude. This thing is fucking scary. Light switch doesn't work. No. This thing rides terribly too. It's like vibraty, and like it starts up like, I don't know, and there's no way of knowing where the fuck you are. Fuck this thing, dude. This thing is scary. Like, this thing genuinely scares me. Fuck, dude. Watch this. As soon as... Oh, yep. It didn't bounce that time. All right, let's take it down one. Is this a floor? What the fuck? What the fuck is 5? There's only one 5 and then the 5 end of the fucking blank, but... Oh, we're going. Watch this. Oh, Jesus. Dude, fucking... scary. Look at this building, though. Look at this building. Like, this is the fucking building it's in. Holy shit, there's fucking Easter eggs and... Dude, like, what the fuck is this? Oh, it's going. Holy shit. Well, might as well see the roof. What the fuck, dude? Fuck, bro. Oh shit, that door just slammed into me. That's it.